Hello, and welcome to the review and the unboxing of the Svbony 70mm travel scope. As you can see here, we have everything that came inside this box right here. I just unboxed everything, as you can see, and I'm going to go over everything bit by bit. The first thing that you're going to see that it comes with is two large boxes. The first large box that you're going to see, and of course it's with the video, is the tripod. So as you can see, this is exactly, it comes out of the box. It is well packed. So the first thing that you see here is the tripod. The second one that it comes with is the actual travel scope itself. Okay, so those are the two boxes that are there. You also get little boxes, and the first one that you see here is the diagonal prism. The two eyepieces that you see here, there's the 6mm, and then also the 20mm. So both of them do come in cases there. Then you also have the 3-time Barlow along with the 1.5 erecting eyepiece. They do come in bags, also a box. The last and final box is for the finder, and it already comes pre-assembled, so as you can see. And the first thing that we're going to do is, after we unbox everything, is we're going to set up the tripod. And how to do that is you just take this here, as so. Make sure it's all the way down to the bottom. I'm going to turn it that way so it's easier. Okay. It does have 3 adjustable legs here. So you can actually see here 1, 2, 3. So you can actually change the height of the actual tripod. For demonstration purposes, we're only going to use just one for height. So we're going to use it just as so, like that, and we're going to clip it into place. Same thing with this one here, like so, and then that one like so. And then you're just going to pop this one like this right here. Okay? The next thing we're going to do is we're going to actually get the actual telescope on the actual tripod. And how this works is there's a little knob right here, right below it, as you can see. And what you're going to do is you're going to match the hole with the screw, and then you're just going to turn the dial counterclockwise until you hear it get tighter and tighter, and now it's on very tight. Okay? So that is the next thing. Then we're going to attach the diagonal, and how that works is we're just going to turn this over to this side here so you can see it, is we're just going to just pop this in here, and then there is a little screw on the end, and you just tighten that up so it's nice and tight. Okay, the next thing is going to be for the finder, and there are 2 little screws, as you can see here, and we're just going to unscrew these completely off. There's one, and there's 2. And then what you just do is you just place this right on like so, and then you're going to take and screw it on so it's nice and tight. There's 1, and 2, and then the eyepieces, which come last. So we're just going to do that, and doing the eyepiece is very simple. There's a little screw here, so we're just going to turn it around that way so that way you can see the screw, which is right there. You just pop it in, and you are ready to view for the night. Thank you for watching, and have a great night.